Ooh, another Born Pretty haul. You guys know I am a fan of Born Pretty. Let's see. So we got a gel polish, and then, let's see. This is obviously more gel polish, but simple. Ooh, okay. It's like some neutrally pinky tones. And then we got a magnetic cat eye. Okay, now I'm prepped. Let's see what we got. Okay. Looks like we have some really pretty, are these gonna be jelly? I hope so. We're gonna start off with JR05. Ooh. This is nice and sheer. I'm going to wipe off my brush here. So with sheer polishes, I like to give it a second before I cure. So let's give it a second. Actually, you know what? I do have that matte underneath, so I'm going to, matte under here might not be the right call. Here is the 05, and here it is matte. I did want to leave this guy in if you do want to see it just in a shiny without the matte behind it. So you can see, maybe if I put it over the nail, so you can see it over the nail. Let's do 01. Nice light milky pink. Just scraping it down. I am going to again do it up top here. Give it a second, and then I'm gonna cure. Here is 01, and here it is matte. And then let's do it over a nail. Here's number 2. Again, scraping it down. Apparently too much. And then doing it up here as well. Okay, I'm gonna give that a second before I cure it. Here is 02. Here it is matte. And here it is over a nail. I really like this one. Here's number 4. Ooh, this is like a purpley brown. Just gonna take some off there and even it out. Okay, gonna give that a second. Here is 04. Here it is matte. Here it is over a nail. Let's do 03, which might be my favorite. I love a good peach, yeah. I was like, this is definitely gonna be a peach. Here is 03. Here it is matte. Here it is over a nail. Here's number 6, which is the last one in that set. Ooh. This is such a pretty berry color. Imagine this on deeper skin tones, how amazing this would look. Obviously, I'm only doing 1 coat. This one would probably need 2, but I want to keep them all the same. Here is 06. Here it is matte. Here it is over a nail. I absolutely love this jelly set. You definitely want to give jellies a second on your nail before you cure them so they kind of like disperse out. I found this one, which would be number 6, to be the most streaky, and I say that probably 1, I may have not given it enough time, but 2, it's such a deeper color that you potentially could get streaks, but I bet you a second coat with this one would do wonders, which would also deepen it up a little bit. So I do think this one is the darkest one, even though I have that one there. And then this really pretty purpley brown, I really like that one, but my favorite of all would probably be this pink one. Over my skin tone, I think this one would look fantastic. I mean, I love me a good lighter pink. So this is definitely a win for me, and they did send me cat eye polish, and this is super shiny cat eye polish, which it looks like they're silver. Pretty. I wonder if you can put this over the jelly, but let's see how it acts first. Ooh, this one's super fine. I wonder if that's what the intent was with this, because this is really pretty. Oh, magnet. Look at how pretty that one is. You know what, so what I'm gonna do here, ooh, I guess I can go over the patches, like these parts. All right, here are the cat eye, and I did the jewel cat eye. I think they're super pretty. I think you can honestly do both. Obviously the cat eye is going to be stunning because it's a cat eye, but like, look at how pretty. Obviously you can wear them both ways. I love how fine this cat eye works. Doing it on a flat swatch stick was definitely harder than doing it on a rounded area, which like just like your nail. So they probably don't look maybe 100% the best, but that's okay. I still really like them. All right, I'd like to thank Born Pretty for sending these over to me. I will make sure to link them below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.